All right, I'm about to get me a little multitask thing going on. I got this used Mercedes SUV. I'm gonna tell you what it is in a minute. It's ML350 4MATIC white. I'm gonna do a used car detail on it. It's pretty damn clean, so I'm kind of gonna multitask on it. Work on some of my regular job, right along with working on this and try to make it happen. I love white and silver interior. I can need a little attention. Let's see how the cargo, underneath the cargo area looks. It's not that bad. For SUV, this is really, like they would say, gravy, man. It need a good prep job. That fuel door is extremely dirty. Come on. Look at the motor too. See what I gotta do inside the engine compartment. Okay, let's open that up. Take a look in there. Cup holder area. Glove box. Walk around to the front end of it. Then I'll pull this hood right quick. Bear with me. Once I find the hood latch, here we go. But let's just see how the motor looks. All right. The motor definitely gonna need the engine compartment rather definitely gonna need a good prep. It's no big deal for me though. This will probably be the hardest part of the job. Engine compartment, that fuel door, and buffing the car out. I am divvying it up for the task. All right? I decided to do a quick video on the Mercedes that I started on earlier today, and I worked it right along with my regular work. Basically, what I did is I multitask. I did a video prior showing the condition of the white SUV Mercedes Benz. Now this video is just gonna show how the engine compartment look. I'm gonna show the door jambs and the trunk area. And I did blow it out and did some vacuum cleaning of the interior. But I'm not finished with the interior. I'm gonna do my walk around Here's the rims. They was real dirty with brake dust, hard brake dust. It took me a while to get the rims to look like that. When I'm finished tomorrow, I'm gonna shine the tires up. I'm gonna do another video on this car when I'm completely done. I will, and then you'll notice the difference. I still have work to do inside. I gotta wipe the seats down, wipe down all the gauges and the pockets back out, and finish that up, the interior up. But I want you to look at the door jambs. One thing about white door jambs, it's either gonna look good or it's gonna look bad. It ain't no in between when you start talking about a white car with white door jambs. I'm proud of how these door jambs turned out on this vehicle. Because of the way the door jambs turned out, it helped encourage me to go ahead and do a little quick video showing how the prep work turned out on this particular SUV that I'm working on. Okay, this whole area down in here was dirty. When I get through bumping it, I will wipe the door jambs back out again. It is an ML 350 Mercedes-Benz SUV. This fuel door area, I might even put these two videos, the before the prep, after the prep, and the finished result. I might put all three of them together. This is after I post the prep, before prep and prep. Them door jambs really turned out nice. Look at that. My plan tomorrow is to finish this car, which I gotta finish the interior. Then I gotta buff it. I'm in the process of running through my brain on the best way I wanna do an exterior buff on this car to save myself time, to try to make up some of the time I've lost prepping this car. I'm gonna step back, and that's it. Peace.